Good morning, all of you. Today, let's have a group discussion on the comparison of various models that we use for the software development lifecycle. Yes, please.
Let me explain about the spiral model. Spiral model is a software development that includes planning, designing, building, and testing in repeated cycles like a spirals with step-by-step process. Then the development is done in a small cycles in a spiral in a repeated steps without any at all once. Then each cycles included the planning, designing, building, and testing phases. Then the risks are identified in each steps. Like every cycle, the product will be improved step by step until the final product will be done. For example, let me take about the online shopping app, where the first spiral will be the planning and designing for the app. Then the second will be adding the payment. Then the final product will be tested through, and if there is any risk, then further it can be developed.
Myself, Mohammedia. Now I am going to tell about waterfall model. It is defined as the linear and sequential software development model, with each phase is completing before moving to the next. There are several phases like requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Requirement analysis means to analyze the requirements for software using object-oriented concept like class and object. The next one is system design, to design the system using UML concept like class diagram and object diagrams. And the next one is implementation. Implementation means to convert the design into the code using a program language like Java or Python. And the next stage is testing, to test the final outcome and interaction to find the errors. And another stage is deployment, to release our output to the user. And the final one is maintenance, to improve the features for after delivering objects.
And I'm going to tell about iterative model in a system software engineering. Iterative model is a development approach where the software is built in small instead of one time. The work is divided into iterations. In each iterations, we do planning, designing, coding, and testing. After the one iteration, the feedback will be collected and the changes are made. After the next iteration, we will continue with the improvements and the instructions they say. This process continues until the full software is completed. The iterative model helps to find the changes earlier and improves the software quality. It is used in the large projects where the requirements may change.
I talk about the increment model. Software is developed in a small increment. Each increment adds features to exit system. First increment, user registration and login. Second increment, product listening and search. Third increment, card management or order placement. Fourth increment, payment and delivery tasking. Each increment delivers having feedbacks. Error and detected to fix the early stage.
Explain.
Hello everyone, I am Ignacio. I am going to tell about B model. B model is like a V shape. For example, ATM machine software. First requirement we use cash withdraw or balance checking, and system design. Digital screens will nowadays we see in ATM machines as digital only. So we can use in system design. Coding right ATM software codes are used in and at last testing is 4 steps: unit test, integrity test, system test, and acceptance test. Unit test each functions by one. Integration test checkout plus balance server. System testing full ATM works or not. Acceptance testing bank verifying with real users.
Myself Lokesh. Now I am tell about the Ajay model. Ajay model is the latest model used. Ajay model is a way of software development tool. In a small steps and a lot of communications. And it gives the quick response to change their requirements, and it is focused on the people's softwares and they work on the continuous improvements of heavy documents and the rigid reference. The value of Agiles are give importance to people talking and working together rather than strict tools and productions. Advantages of Agile model is easy to create and easy to change clear the errors. Disadvantages of Agile are the only disciplined people and the good communication team will handle the Agile model. Principle of Agile model is happy by delivering a useful software easy and regular.
Appreciations all of you. Each one of you have explained clearly the phases involved in each model. So we have to choose the model wisely based upon the requirements of the software to be developed to overcome the disadvantages. Thank you.